we are studying the chicken dissection. First, we need to know the meaning of dissection. Dissection is from the Latin word dissecere. It means to cut to pieces. It also called anatomization is the dismembering of the body of a diseased animal or plant to study its anatomical structure.
First, we need to prepare ourselves and prepare the things that we need, like lab gown, wear your lab gown, and then next is wear your lab gloves, and then next is prepare the dissecting kit like this.
External parts of a chicken.
Guys, our topic today is the anatomy of a chicken. First, we need to identify the external parts of the chicken. This area, the hard area is the beak. This one is the comb, wattle, earlobes. This one, the earlobes. Claws, nails, hock, shank. This one is the shank. And then next is the tail, back. Feathers has 3 parts. This area is the primary feathers. This area, this one, the primary feathers. And this one is the secondary feathers. And this area is the little feathers. And then this area, we call it hackle feathers. External parts of a chicken. Beak. It serves 3 functions. First, it is the chicken's mouth. Second, it is used for fighting and protection. And the third one, it functions as the teeth of the chicken, enabling the bird to break a grass, fruit, and other food into small pieces that enough to swallow. Comb and wattles is served to cool their blood. Earlobes, the earlobes of a chicken serve hearing and other ear functions. The eyeball of a chicken is stationary, thus a chicken must move its head to vary the range of vision. The feathers provide insulation and buffer extreme of heat and cold. The wings, chicken cannot fly very well. They can flap their wings sufficiently to raise themselves above 3 meters off the ground. Tail and tail feathers, the tail is used for balance while walking and in flying, as a rudder for up and down and side-to-side motion. Feet and nails is used for walking. Feet and claws are used in fighting, for protection, and finding food. Digestive system of a chicken. It all starts on the mouth. The esophagus transports food from the mouth to the stomach. And the next one is the crop. A pouch in the esophagus used to store food temporarily before moving it onto the stomach. And then the stomach area. The stomach area has 2 parts, the proventriculus and the gizzard. Principally, the organ where food is broken into smaller units. It has 2 parts, the proventriculus for storage and the gizzard. The gizzard is a muscular part of the stomach that used grit to grind grains, fiber into smaller particles. And then next is the small intestine, aids in digestion and nutrient absorption, composed of the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. And then the next one is the liver. The liver is the largest glandular organ in the body that aids in the metabolism of the carbohydrates, fats, and protein. One is the ceca. The ceca is a bacterial action that helps break down undigested food passing through the intestine. The ceca turns into the large intestine, which connects with the cloaca. Large intestine functions primarily to absorb water, dry out indigestible food, and eliminate waste products. And then the next one is the cloaca, where the digestive system, urinary system, and reproductive system meets. And the last one is the vent, the external opening of the cloaca that passes waste to the outside. The respiratory system. The respiratory system consists trachea, bronchi, lungs. The trachea, it carries air in and out from the lungs. And then the bronchi is the main passageway into the lungs. Lungs, it is to move fresh air into their body while removing waste gases.
This is the trachea. Trachea will goes to bronchi. This one is the bronchi. And then next is the lungs. Lungs is near here. This is the lungs. This one, the pinkish one. Lungs.
The cardiovascular system. It consists of the heart, blood vessel, and the blood. The primary function is to transport nutrients and oxygen-rich blood to all parts of the body and to carry a deoxygenated blood back to the lungs. The heart is a muscular pump that pours blood around the body. A closed system of blood vessels. These vessels include arteries, vessels that carry blood away from the heart, the veins, vessels that bring blood into the heart, capillaries, the tiny vessels that branch from arteries deliver blood to all body tissues. There are two blood circulatory systems in the body. First one is the systemic circulatory system. This is the main blood circulatory system that transports blood to the organs, tissues, and the cells throughout the body. The second is the pulmonary circulatory system. This circulatory system moves blood between the heart and lungs. It is where oxygen enters the blood and carbon dioxide leaves the blood.
Heart. This area is the left atrium, and this area is the left ventricle, right atrium. This fatty is the coronary band.
System of a chicken head. It is made of two parts, the ovary and the oviduct. The yolk develops in the ovary when an ovum has matured. It is released from the ovary into the oviduct. This release of the ovum is the ovulation. In the oviduct, glands secrete substances that form other parts of the egg, such as the albumin and the eggshell.